Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there, welcome. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can generate some banners as well as some thumbnails for articles. Let's start with a banner. So I'm going to say my name is Juan Hamza, right? And you can do the same thing for you as well. And I am a fitness coach. Could you write a short description for the LinkedIn background or banner, right? For the LinkedIn banner. Also, make sure to keep it short and professional, right? Very little text. Okay, so here it's going to give me a description. AI expert, fitness coach, boosting productivity and health. Okay, now I'm going to take this right here, and I would like to go back into Leonardo. I'm going to switch this to 4 designs at a time, and I'm going to say banner, or actually LinkedIn background or LinkedIn design with text at the middle, or in the middle, actually I would say in the middle, right corner or left corner. I'm going to go for left corner. That says, and I'm going to paste this. Now the reason why I said left corner is because normally the text should be in the middle left corner, because your image, if you have an image that you want to put in your banner, you have to put it on the right. That's the normal thing, or normal way to do this. Okay, so here we have a couple of banners. And for example, if I click this one, Ron Hamza, AI expert fitness coach, boosting productivity and health, and it looks really amazing. So I think that you see what we're doing here. So now let's go to the other topic about thumbnail creation. So let's say you want to create a article on LinkedIn. I'm going to say, what's new and trending in AI, or in the AI and tech field today, related to passive income. And then I'm going to go and click send, because obviously I have a newsletter. It's a passive income newsletter. And so I only post about AI and passive income. So here it says cryptocurrency and yield farming, NFT royalties, real estate crowdfunding, automated dropshipping. That's really interesting. AI trading bots. Okay, I'd like to write an article about AI trading bots. I'm going to say now I would like to write an article about AI trading bots. And I'm actually going to just share with you a secret. So here, say the following, or write the following. Make it human-like. That's number 1. Not robotic. Add emotion to it, right? Excite people, engage them, hook them, use storytelling, okay? And use emojis, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, italics, bold effects, and so on and so forth. And make this article great, and use headlines, subheadlines, add an FAQ, and write a conclusion. And that's pretty much it. So now if I hit enter, it's going to go and write an incredibly attractive blog post or article. So as you can see, unlocking financial freedom. You wake up, sip morning coffee, and check your phone. Investments have grown overnight. And as you can see, this is really human, okay? Now, all that's needed is for me to post this. But before I can post this, right, I could actually create a thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead to here, switch to 16 by 9 inches in size. And I'm going to actually say thumbnail, right? Thumbnail with text that says, and place the text, and that's it. And instead of just saying the rise of bots, I'm going to say with text in a great font, and I'm going to say great or perfectly designed thumbnail with text I'm going to switch to 2 images and then click generate. So now it's going to go and generate the thumbnail for me while I can go and copy this into LinkedIn. So now I can go to LinkedIn, I can open my newsletter, which I haven't posted on because of an issue I had with my YouTube channel. That was, thank goodness I solved that problem. Now I can access my YouTube channel again, and now I can start posting. But I wasn't able to put posts or newsletter articles because of that fact, because I was combining my newsletter with my YouTube channel. So not much subscribers, but that's okay. I'm going to click right here, and this is how I can do to post. So I'm going to click create new edition, and right here I could paste the title. And after you paste the title, okay, close. I misclicked over there, so I'm going to go back into ChatGPT to just copy this. I'm just going to copy it as is with everything, right? And go back into LinkedIn, remove this, and then place your text right here. And of course, when it comes to the thumbnail, it's in preparation. I could go back right here and I will find it. Okay. Well, actually, let's say with text in a great font that says, here I'm going to say perfect design with text in a great font that says, and I'm actually going to remove this money thing because emojis, they impact your prompt. So I'm just going to keep it like this with text in a great font that says, and I can generate right now and wait a second. All right. The rise of AI trading bots. But how about if I wanted to make this thumbnail something else, something better? Okay. Now I'm going to say, describe the viral thumbnail for this article. Okay. Now I'm going to leave it to ChatGPT to describe this thumbnail. So here it's giving you visual elements, Okay, that's too much. I'm going to say, well, please do it in one short paragraph, because I don't want all this science fiction stuff. So it says a sleek humanoid robots, in the center, slick dollar bills, backdrop, right? Eye-bolding title reads, and now we're talking. So I'm going to copy this prompt, go back here, and paste it in. All right, this time around, it's going to be good, I hope. I'm going to switch to 4 images this time to get better results, and then click generate, in which case, now these are pretty good thumbnails. I'm not going to say that these are not good. These are absolutely good and can be used, and I certainly use them from time to time. But assuming you really want to catch the attention, there should be a person involved. There should also be it's a type of design that you should do, and ChatGPT really is good at this. It's really good at this. It's just incredible. It will describe the most viral thumbnail to you. All right, so here, what do we have? AI trading bots unlock financial freedom. How about this one? We have some more. AI trading bots unlock financial freedom. I think I'm going to go with this one, but let me just check some more. AI trading bots, I don't like this one. AI trading bots, I also don't like this one. But this one is on another level. So I'm going to go and basically download, go back into my newsletter, click upload, and all I need to do is to go ahead right here in the downloads, double click, and boom, voila. You can see it's going to basically show right here, and it's looking quite fabulous. So I'm going to copy this right here, this title. I'm going to add it as a caption. And at the same time, I can go to ChatGPT and say, write some hashtags for the article. And in the meantime, I could go back here, click next. And here, to show my network that this has been shared, I can just go and do this and add these hashtags right over here. And that's pretty much it. And there you go. Voila. You have a post or an article in minutes with an incredibly beautiful thumbnail, which if I go and check right here, it's going to look really cool. Let me just refresh for a second. Let me just refresh. And voila, AI trading bots unlock financial freedom. Isn't this cool, right? And so you can do the same thing with YouTube videos as well. Now, pretty much this course is about LinkedIn, so I believe that this addition to the course is going to make it really significantly cooler. And if you really want to know something else, if you have something in mind that you want us to create, if you want a specific update, just let us know, because there is no way for us to know exactly what you want unless you let us know what you want us to create a update about in the future. So go ahead and share what you would like us to create an update regarding in the future, and we will be more than happy to do that. You can engage in the Q&A. You can also engage in the message section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.